We back at it. Today I'm working on this blue Civic. I'm disassembling everything. This car, I'm gonna completely remove everything. All of this is gonna go. Motor's already out. Took off the front end a little bit. Got a ways to go, but I'm gonna clean this bay up completely. And then remove the subframe, remove all the suspension, rack and pinion. I don't have AC for now, but I don't need all of this old stuff. I'm gonna put my own mechanical rack and pinion, which I already have in the other swap. After everything's